In this video, I'm going to show you a TCL Smart TV browser tutorial, so how to use internet on the TCL Smart TV basically. So the first thing we need to do is to grab our remote here, and then you're going to go into apps. So apps is right here as you can see, and in here you're going to scroll down until you can see search for apps and games. If you don't have search for apps and games, don't worry, then you need to actually find Google Play Store on your apps basically, and just go into Google Play Store instead. But I'm just going to click right here, click on the OK button on your remote. Then you're going to search like this, just search for browser. So I'm just going to search for browser here. And then we're going to go into this one and then click on the OK button is right here, by the way. So just click on it right here.
Results for browser.
And it's going to give us the TV browser right here, as you can see. So there is actually a couple of options in here, but this one is also pretty good, by the way. But I'm just going to take this one. I have used this one before and it has really good rating, as you can see. And then you're going to click on the OK button here once again to install the app if you haven't already gotten it. So this app right here actually will allow you to browse the internet without any problems on your TCL Smart TV. And once again, there is a bunch of other apps for sure that you can use, but I have just found that this app right here works the smoothest on my TCL TV. And the other apps have lagged a little bit. But yeah, I tried just a couple, I didn't try every one of course, but yeah. But yeah, now when it's done, you can click on open right here. So click on OK button on your remote here and you can open up the browser app here. And we can click on OK here where it says get started, as you can see. And yeah, you should now be taken here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of options for us here that we can actually choose. Or you can just start Googling right here. So if you scroll down, you can see they already have recommendations here, but I'm just going to click right here where it says search, and let's search for news as an example. So we're just going to search for news and then go right here, click on this button right here, of course. So as you can see, I'm now taken here. I just saw that I actually searched incorrectly, but whatever. And by the way, you can see that you get this thing right here and you control it by like left clicking, right clicking on your remote. I don't know why it's not zooming in, but left, right, as you can see. So this one, if you click on left, right, you will be able to actually see exactly where you want to click. So this works really similar to how you use your mouse, I guess. And then you can click on OK here. We can click on Google News as an example. And here is some Google News. And yeah, basically that is exactly how to use the browser on your TCL TV.